Hi friends, so I'm just going to show you today which I ordered Sigma 17 to 50 mm. So this is the box which I got. I already opened it, but I just wanted to show you from the beginning what all things that I got in this. So here are all the packing. So first thing is I ordered it from the Google Express. So this is my first order from the Google Express, and I really had a good experience with them, with good on-time delivery, and I got the good deal as well. So this is a thank you card they sent. Here it is. Okay, let's go inside. So I got three additional filters with this deal. So first one is the 77 mm professional 3-piece filter kit. So it has UV, CPL and FLD filter with this. So this is what it is. Okay, so second thing is I got another set of 4 pieces SD micro close-up lenses. This is very nice, guys, because I got +1, +2, +4 and +10 as well. So here are the differences, and here are the pictures which they have shown. If you are going to shoot with +1, it will look like this, +2 will be like this, +4 and +10. Okay, and I got variable neutral NDF filter as well. So this is very useful when you are making any videos in a bright place, where in a sunny place. So this will be very useful for your video, and you can use it for images as well. So this is what. So this is the main 1750 mm 2.8. It's pretty nice packing it has. Okay, nothing else. I'll just keep it away from this because I'm going to show you what I got in this. Okay, so this is a warranty sticker, and it has in all the languages, English, French and Italian. So this is a nice packing actually. So, okay, this is the box that we get on this. So nothing else, just a plain box. I'll just keep it aside, and let's open this. It has a instruction manual. You can read it. It is having multiple pages in multiple languages. So we'll just keep it aside for now, and here we go. So this is the lens, and yeah, it's pretty much good. It's slightly heavy, but it's worth, that 1750 mm with 2.8 aperture throughout all focal length. So I see there is some rattling noise, but I saw some of the reviews and some of the things, like it will have, because whichever the lens are coming with optical stabilizer, they have this kind of some rattling noise. So I don't mind if it has, but it should produce a good images and the movies, so that's fine for me. So see here. So this is, oh, I think you're not able to see properly. I'll just, here. So this is the optical stabilizer button, where we can switch it on and off, and we have autofocus, manual or auto. You can just switch it on, and we have a lock over here which is about you can lock the focal, and you can unlock it. It will start zooming in, and it will lock only at one position, which is only at 17 mm, so it won't lock on any of the focal length, so it won't work. Okay, so we have this cover. It's pretty good, pretty big though. So this is what we got, and let's see what is there inside this. Oh, we have lens hood as well with this. So we got a hood for this, which you can fit it here when you wanted to avoid some kind of sunlight from the sides. So that's it, guys. So this is what I wanted to show you. So thank you very much for watching this.